Welcome dear students. Today we are going to solve sums from practice set 3.2. Write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. Now this is an activity sum. First sum is 1, 8, 15, 22 etc. So A and T1, that is the first term, that is 1. T2 is 8. T3 is 15, T4 is 22. A is what? First term, that is 1. T1 is also first term, that is 1. T2 is what? Second term, 8. T3 is 15. T2 minus T1, that is 8 minus 1, which is 7. T3 minus T2, so 15 minus 8, that is also 7. Therefore, D is what? D is T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2, that is 7. Second sum 3, 6, 9, 12 etc. So 3 is the first term, that is A and T1 is 3. T2 is 6, second term. T3 is 9, third term. T4 is 12, fourth term. So T1 is what? 3. T2 is 6. T3 is 9. T4 is 12. T2 minus T1. So only one box is given. Directly subtract and write. So 6 minus 3, which is 3. T3 minus T2. So 9 minus 6, which is 3. Therefore, D is equal to what? This is D, isn't it? So D is 3. Now third sum, minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18 etc. So minus 3 is the first term. A and T1 is minus 3. T2 is minus 8. T3 is minus 13. T4 is minus 18. Here T3 is asked first. T3 is what? Minus 13. T2 is second term, that is minus 8. T4 is fourth term, that is minus 18. T1 is first term, that is minus 3. So look at carefully and write. Now D is equal to what? T2 minus T1, that is T2 is what? Minus 8 minus of minus 3, that is minus of minus is plus, plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3 is what? Minus 5. Next T3 minus T2. T3 is what? Minus 13 minus of minus 8. Minus of minus is plus, minus 13 plus 8, which is equal to minus 5. A is first term, that is minus 3. So D is the common difference, that is T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2, that is what? Minus 5. Fourth sum 70, 60, 50, 40 etc. So 70 is the first term, that is A and T1 is 70. T2 is 60. T3 is 50. T4 is 40. So T1 is 70, T2 is 60, T3 is 50 and T4 is 40. A is what? First term, that is 70. Now D is what? D is T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term. So 60 minus 70, that is equal to what? Minus 10. Even though if the second term is smaller than the first term, we have to go according to the formula. Next question. Question number 2. Decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of the progression. Now this is a sequence. Minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 etc. This is a sequence. So minus 12 is the first term. A and T1 is minus 12. Minus 5 is second term. 2 is third term. 9 is fourth term. 16 is fifth term. 23 is sixth term. 30 is seventh term. You can write this way. Now T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is what? T2 is minus 5 and T1 is minus 12. Minus of minus 12. Minus of minus is plus. So plus 12. Minus 5 plus 12 is what? Plus 7. Similarly, we have to find out T3 minus T2. T3 is what? 2. And T2 is what? Minus 5. Minus of minus 5. Minus of minus is plus, plus 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So T4 minus T3. T4 is 9 and T3 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. T5 minus T4, that is 16 minus 9, which is what? 7. Now here we have to find out at least 3 or 4 differences. If all the differences are same, then only the given sequence will be an AP. Here common difference is 7, so it is constant. So therefore the given sequence is an AP. Now to find the 20th term of the AP. 20th term means n is equal to what? 20. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, nth formula. So first we have to write the nth formula, then substitute the value. N is 20, so T20 equal to a is minus 12 plus n is 20, 20 minus 1, d is 7. So 20 minus 1 is 19, 19 into 7. So minus 12 plus 19 into 7. We have to multiply this first. Use Bodmer's rule. So minus 12 plus 133, which is equal to what? Plus 121. Therefore the answer is the given sequence is an AP. The 20th term of the AP is 121. Now third sum. Given arithmetic progression 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. Find the 24th term of this progression. Already it is given, this is an AP. So let us write the terms. First term is what? 12. A and T1 is 12. T2 is 16. T3 is 20. T4 is 24. So let us write this way. Now write the D formula. D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4. Therefore D is 4, A is 12, N is 24. Now 24th term of the AP is, let us write the formula, nth formula first. Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now substitute the value. N is 24. So T24 equal to A is 12. N is 24, 24 minus 1, D is 4. 24 minus 1 is 23. 23 into 4, first you have to multiply this. So that is 92. So 12 plus 92 is 104. Therefore, the 24th term of the AP is 104. Next question. Fourth sum. Find the 19th term of the following AP. 19th term. The AP is 7, 13, 19, 25, etc. Now the first term, that is A and T1 is 7. Now 13 is second term, that is T2 is 13, T3 is 19, T4 is 25. So let us write this way. Therefore D is equal to what? T2 minus T1, that is 13 minus 7, which is 6. So D is 6, A is 7 first term, N is 19. 19th term means N is 19. Now to find the 19th term of the AP, let us write the nth formula first. So Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now substitute the values. Now T19, which is equal to A is 7, 7 plus 19 minus 1 into D is 6. 19 minus 1 is what? 18. 18 into 6. Multiply this first, that is 108. So 7 plus 108, which is equal to 115. Therefore, the 19th term of the AP is 115. Next, fifth sum. Find the 27th term of the following AP. The AP is 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11, etc. Now here 9 is what? The first term. A and T1 is 9, T2 is 4, T3 is minus 1, T4 is minus 6, T5 is minus 11. So let us write this way. Now D formula is D is equal to what? T2 minus T1, that is 4 minus 9, which is equal to minus 5. So D is minus 5, A is 9 first term, and N is what? 27, 27th term. So N is 27. Now to find the 27th term of the AP, let us write the nth formula first. So Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now substitute the values. T 27, N is 27, so T 27 equal to A is 9, 27 minus 1 into D is what? Minus 5. So 27 minus 1 is 26 minus 5. First we have to multiply this first. So this is plus 26 into minus 5, which is equal to what? Minus 130. So 9 minus 130, so which is equal to minus 121. Therefore the 27th term of the AP is minus 121. Okay children, now in next video we will see the remaining sums.